Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into something that is fundamentally transforming the way businesses operate. We're talking about market research, and specifically how artificial intelligence is taking what used to be a grueling manual slog and turning it into a lightning-fast intelligence engine. If you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data you have to process just to make one strategic decision, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to explore how to build a smarter, faster, and much more accurate research workflow.
Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The manual research bottleneck. 2. Core AI research capabilities. 3. The AI market research workflow. 4. Real-world business transformation. And 5. Essential human oversight.
Section 1. The manual research bottleneck and why traditional research is slowing you down. I want you to actively reflect on this for a second. Is manual research slowing down your strategic decisions? Just think about how much time your team currently spends simply gathering data. I mean, the days, or honestly even weeks, spent manually extracting information from competitor websites, customer reviews, industry reports, and internal sales data, all before you can even begin to do any meaningful analysis. Okay, let's dive into this, because the consequences of this manual bottleneck are really painful. Conventional approaches are seriously struggling to keep pace with rapidly changing markets. Researchers are bogged down by time-consuming manual data gathering and fragmented data that's scattered across endless spreadsheets. That leads to major information overload, which naturally drives up labor costs and results in incredibly slow reporting. And the absolute worst part? By the time that final report is actually presented to leadership, the intelligence might already be completely outdated. That delay directly translates into delayed strategic decisions and totally missed market opportunities.
Section 2. Core AI research capabilities. The new paradigm in business intelligence.
Get this. Depending on your workflow and data quality, organizations can expect a 50% to 80% reduction in manual research effort for repetitive activities. That is a massive amount of reclaimed time. AI isn't here to replace the researcher. It's here to rapidly process massive data sets, identify patterns, and summarize findings so that you can actually focus on interpretation and high-level strategy. And this brilliantly illustrates the shift. We are officially moving away from the traditional drudgery of manual web searches, individual document review, and endlessly organizing spreadsheets. Instead, AI-powered research uses natural language processing to automate all that data gathering. It can instantly classify customer sentiment, telling you right away if feedback is positive, negative, or neutral. It detects emerging market trends and generates structured summarizations on the fly. So instead of copying and pasting for hours, your team is instantly handed organized, actionable intelligence. Section 3, the AI market research workflow, step-by-step implementation. The source material lays out a highly actionable workflow where AI acts as your research co-pilot. Step 1 is strictly human. You have to define clear business goals, like which competitors present the greatest threat, and collect trustworthy sources. Step 2 is where AI really flexes its muscles. It cleans the data and analyzes the market by removing duplicates, categorizing unstructured information, and performing simultaneous analysis, like competitor benchmarking and customer segmentation. Then Step 3 brings the human right back into the loop. You validate the critical findings, and then the AI can generate decision-ready reports containing your SWOT analysis, market overviews, and strategic recommendations. Now, what's really fascinating about this is the dramatic collapse in the time required to actually get those decision-ready reports. What traditionally took weeks of manual labor is now compressed into mere days. You are effectively shifting your team's energy entirely away from administrative gathering and redirecting it toward high-value strategic planning. Section 4. Real-world business transformation. A SaaS company case study. Let's move to and see how this builds a stark before and after contrast for a real-world SaaS team planning to enter a completely new market segment. Before AI, they spent nearly 2 weeks manually reviewing competitor websites, reading hundreds of customer comments one by one, and organizing everything in spreadsheets just to create a basic presentation. But after implementing this workflow, the entire project was completed in a few days. The AI aggregated the competitor data, summarized the sentiment of thousands of reviews to detect recurring pain points, and drafted the executive report. The researchers then simply validated those findings and finalized their strategy. They completely reclaimed their time. Section 5. Essential human oversight. The limitations of AI. Now, we do need to pivot to a necessary reality check. AI is incredibly powerful, but it is strictly an assistant, not an autonomous replacement for human strategy or domain expertise. So the crucial point is perfectly captured in this quote from the text. AI is most effective as a decision support tool rather than a replacement for expert judgment. Collecting data does not automatically create business value. You are still the ultimate strategist. AI cannot independently verify all external data, and it's entirely limited by the quality of the input data you provide.
Because of that, mandatory human review checkpoints are absolutely non-negotiable. If you blindly trust the outputs, you're opening yourself up to severe risks. AI can hallucinate or produce flat-out inaccurate information. It might pull from outdated public data sources or reflect biased datasets that totally skew your view of the market. On top of that, AI often struggles with the misinterpretation of nuanced market signals that a seasoned human analyst would catch immediately. Finally, you must always be vigilant about privacy and confidentiality risks. Never feed proprietary sensitive data into public models without proper security protocols. Human oversight at the beginning for objective setting and at the end for validation is exactly what makes this entire system work.
We have seen how AI can collapse weeks of work into days, turning fragmented data into clear, structured intelligence. But the ultimate success of this technology relies entirely on how you guide it. So I'll leave you with this to consider. As you look at your own market research processes today, how will you combine AI speed with your human wisdom? It's time to take that first step toward a smarter, more integrated workflow. Thank you for joining me for this explainer.